Manually managing expenses can become a nightmare for businesses. You receive expense data from employees, update spreadsheets manually, and then again enter the same information inside your expense management software. Honestly, repeating a same work again and again wastes a huge amount of time. But what if the entire process could happen automatically? What if whenever a new expense record is added into Google Sheets, a new expense is instantly created inside your expense account automatically without manual entry? So yes, in this video I'll show you step by step how to automate expense tracking by connecting Google Sheets with Expensify. So whenever a new record is added into your Google Sheet, the workflow automatically creates a new expense entry inside Expensify within seconds. This automation is extremely useful for finance teams, startups, agencies, accountants, and businesses handling large number of expense daily. But before we build this workflow step by step, let me first show you how this automation works in real time. So right now this is my Google Sheets containing all the expense data. Now let's say I add a complete new expense record into this sheet. And watch this carefully. The moment I add this new row into Google Sheets, instantly the automation starts running in the background, and within a second a brand new expenses is automatically created inside my Expensify account. No manual copy pasting, no repetitive data entry. Everything happens automatically. It is only made possible with the help of this workflow that I have created by using Pabbly Connect. So now you have seen the real-time working of this automation. Let's start building this complete workflow step by step. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and run the sign up process. And once you do this, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to integrate multiple applications but don't know any programming language, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you have to click on this plus create workflow button. Once you click on it, it will provide you three options, name as create from scratch, create using AI, and create using Quick Builder. I am creating this workflow by using Quick Builder, so I am clicking on this option, and next this connect dashboard is going to be appear in front of me. Here you just have to give a single line prompt and it will automatically generate a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work in real time. Let's say I sent a prompt as automate expense tracking, connect Google Sheets to Expensify. As soon as I send this, it analyzes my request and asks me which Google Sheets trigger should start this workflow. So I'm selecting it as a new or updated spreadsheet row. After that, it is asking me as which Expensify action would you like for create expense, that I am selecting as create expense. And see, within a second it will automatically generate a workflow for me and asking me for my approval. So I'm approving it by clicking on this button, and see, it says that workflow created successfully. Now I'm going to open this workflow and look at this. I got the exact application that I need, that is Google Sheets and Expensify. After getting the application, we need to make a connection. So for making it, you just have to click on the application. See, it will provide you one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. At first, I'm copying this webhook URL from here and clicking on this recapture webhook response. Now, for making a connection, I'm going to take you to my Google Sheets. See, this is the sheet that contains all the Expensify data. Now, for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheet, you just have to click on this extensions option. After that, click on this plus add-ons and click on this get add-ons. After that, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks in this search app fields, and next you just have to install this Pabbly Connect webhooks. And once you install it, it is going to be appear like this. You just have to click on this option. After that, click on this initial setup button for making a new setup. At first, I am removing the previous one, and now I am pasting the webhook URL that I have copied from this workflow. After pasting the webhook URL, URL. Next, you have to enter the trigger column. The trigger column is the final data column where the data is added. So in my Google Sheet, the final and the last data column where the data is present is G. That's why I have entered G here. After that, I am clicking on the send test button, and see, it says that test data sent. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, automatically I received a new response 1 second ago, and it includes all the details that were entered on the first row of my sheet. This means that the connection between Pabbly Connect and the Google Sheet is working perfectly. After doing the setup, you just have to click on the submit button and make sure that the send on event is always active. If it is not active, then Pabbly Connect will not receive the responses. So keep that in your mind. Now the setup of our trigger application is completed. Next, we have our action application as Expensify. But before we go inside it, I'm going to add one more application in between these, that is number formatter. So for that, I'm clicking on this plus option and searching for number formatter in this field. In few minutes, we'll understand this why I am using this number formatter here. After that, the app event I'm selecting as perform math operation and clicking on this connect button. Now in this numbers field, I am going through the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Google Sheet. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this numbers field, I am going to do the mapping of the amount. See, it is mapped. After that, I am entering 1 comma and entering 100. Next, the operation I am selecting is multiply and clicking on the save and send test request button. See, I got the value. With the help of this number formatter, you can perform multiple math operations. After doing this setup, I am moving towards our next application, that is Expensify. Now for making a connection, you just have to click on this connect button, and if you have an existing one, then you will go with this. Here I am making a new connection, so I am selecting this option, and next it is asking me to enter the partner user ID and partner user secret. As it is mentioned here that you can find or create your credential at this link, so I am directly going towards this hyperlink, and see, the partner user ID is available here, so I am just copying it and pasting it in this field. After that, for getting a partner user secret key, I'm going to generate a new one. So for that, I'm clicking on this option, and see, I got the partner user secret key too. So this is how easily you can generate a key. After that, I'm pasting the secret key too in this field, and next I'm clicking on the save button, and this is how easily you can connect your Expensify account with Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, you just have to select the policy from here that I'm selecting as Pabbly, and with my account, employee email is automatically connected. That's why it's automatically come here. Next, in this date field, I am again doing the mapping from the previous application, that is this Google Sheet. As I already explained you about this, to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash and click on the previous application. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As every day you enter the new record inside your Google Sheet, so for capturing each record dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, every time when you enter the new record, this data will change. Next, you just have to enter the 3-letter currency code in this field. Here I am going to enter my currency code as INR because I am an Indian. After that, in this merchant name field, I am doing the mapping from the previous application, that is Uber. After that, in this amount field, I am going to do the mapping of the response from the number formatter, because in this field you have to enter the expense amount in cents, means the smallest currency unit instead of decimals. So that's the reason why I have used this number formatter, because I want the amount in the smallest currency unit. After doing this mapping, next you just have to map the category in this field. If you want to map that, I'm selecting as travel, and if your sheet consists the comment, then you can map that comment in this field. I have mapped only some fields because my objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation by using Pabbly Connect. After that, I am clicking on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response. Now I'm going to show you my expense account as well by refreshing it. See, immediately a new expense is going to be created inside my expense management account. It includes the merchant name as Uber, amount, category as travel, exactly same that I have mapped in each of these fields. This means that the connection between my Expensify and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now the setup of our action application is completed. So this is how easily you can integrate Google Sheets with Expensify by using Pabbly Connect. It will save a lot of your time. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Not only this, you can integrate multiple applications by using this tool. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.